Today we are going to check out the nature play area. As you can see, JJ is already hop onto the giant obstacle course. It's pretty long. I would say, wait, let me give you a quick overview of 360 for this area. Okay, let me think. That looks like maybe 12 meters to 14 meters long. Whoa, this is really cool. I really like it. Something so natural, made of wood. Is it cool, Jace?
Yeah, it's also made of metal.
Yeah, it's really natural, like a natural material using the wood plank. Yeah, a rope, but most of them it's just like an art sculpture. Wow, good. And there's even bigger area over the other side that we can check out next. Okay. Good stuff, guys. Almost to the end. Wow, good. Ready? Go. Whoa. Okay, Daddy's turn. Daddy will be really fast. Yeah. Okay, off to this balance beam. And then, okay, now is the walking the bridge. And the lower bridge. And then this. Oh, okay. Wow. This is this is how JJ do. Oh, is the shoes going to be okay, I wonder? Okay. This one, oh yeah, this is the same one. So is the starting point and the finish point the same?
No.
Oh, okay. You decide. So this is the repeat version. So JJ just finished all the obstacles in this area. And Daddy also.
We're gonna hop down.
Okay, well, be careful.
What's your back?
Whoa! Well done.
So, what I'm gonna do is gonna release this dam, which is like at the top of the boat, so in a miniature size.
Yeah.
It will go down
Yes.
this area,
Right.
which means it will fall and then stop at that water thing.
Right. Okay. Are you ready then?
Are you ready?
I am ready. I'm
Yeah.
capturing the moment.
Yes. So this is only a one-time thing.
Whoa! This is how fast the water flows.
Oh no.
Wow! The impact. Wow! It's actually quite full.
Yeah.
How about open the other gate, Jess?
Shall we open?
No, I have to pump a little bit more water.
I think you'll get absorbed into the ground, Jess.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Open the gate.
Open the
3,
set.
2,
2.
1. Go!
Wow, I can hear the waterfall. I can hear the waterfall. Wow, very fun. And I gradually slow down. Yeah. The sound of the waterfall is quite soothing. Wow, look at the water. Eventually just got soaked into the ground. And then the water disappeared.